Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today I want to talk about what to do when you're busy writing and then all of a sudden you hit a point in your story where you don't know what to do next. You stop up short, you feel indecisive, anxiety rolls in. How can you come up with more ideas or the best next step in your story? I've found that the best thing to do when you hit a moment like this is to just stop. Turn off your laptop, pick up your pen and paper, and make a list of all the things that could possibly happen at this moment in your story. What would happen if you changed an element in the setting, or if you brought in another character into this scene? What is the worst that can happen at this very moment? How can you give the character a dilemma, forcing him or her to choose between two difficult options? The physical motion of handwriting these ideas may help unlock new ideas in your brain. When writing fiction, there may be times when you feel stuck and you do not know which way the story should go. We've all been there, right? Or perhaps the obvious next step forward seems boring. How can you come up with something more exciting, something the reader wouldn't expect? If not, then maybe just draw crazy eights round and round on your paper a few seconds while you take a deep breath, or go for a walk. Sometimes the answers will come while doing mundane things like taking a shower or driving or working in the garden. When you are ready, brainstorm 15 ideas, possibly even 20. The first 5 may not be worthy. They may be what is logical or ideas you were already toying with in your head, but as you create more options further down the list, creativity has a chance to kick in, and you may find you come up with some fun, out-of-the-box ideas that you had never thought of before.